Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new topic, a new module of prompt engineering course where in this module we'll be discussing what are the few real life examples or scenarios you can do via ChatGPT in prompt engineering. So for the first example today, I'll be telling you guys how you can do language translation by using ChatGPT in a very effective way. We'll be doing simple examples to complex examples as well. We'll be discussing both of these types, and the next thing we'll be doing is we'll also be seeing how you can summarize your text, how you can summarize like a single line text or maybe a whole 200 or 300 lines text very easily by a single prompt via ChatGPT. So these are basically very basic examples that I wanted to tell you first in this module. So for that, we don't need any specific prompt formula. So without further ado, let's just dive right into our ChatGPT. Alright, so for the first example, I have taken a simple text, which is actually a definition you can say of prompt engineering, and I have prompted ChatGPT to translate this text into Spanish just to get you guys an idea of what basically we are doing. So let's just hit enter and see what output is going to give it to us. Alright, so yeah, as you guys can see, it just created the output of the same exact text into Spanish language without any problem or hassle. So for the simple text, it will work very efficiently and very accurately. So maybe if some of you guys wondering like this is the exact same thing that Google does as well. So why we need to use ChatGPT for that? So let's just say if you want to pick the same text and you want to change it into 3 to 4 different languages like in one shot, right? So for that, if you're using Google, you have to do it again and again and again. But in ChatGPT, you can just simply write those languages and it will do for you without any problem, just in one shot. So now you can see we have prompted ChatGPT to translate the same exact paragraph, but for now it won't be in just one language. We said to translate it into Spanish as well as French, Arabic, and German, right? So yeah, let's just see if ChatGPT can do it for us. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, it just translated that paragraph into 4 different languages just in one shot without any problem. If you guys would have been doing this in Google, so you'll be like selecting languages again and again, so it will take a lot of time, right? But in ChatGPT, you can just simply put in that paragraph and you can say it to translate that into dash 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 languages, as many as you want, and it will do it for you very efficiently. So yeah, this is actually a very useful technique or a real life example that you can apply to your situation with the help of ChatGPT. So yeah, moving forward to our next real life example, I told you guys we'll also be discussing how you can summarize like text. You can summarize simple text as well as the complex text using ChatGPT very easily in very effective way in a very hierarchical structure, like just how you like. So let's just dive into the ChatGPT again and let me brief you guys about that example as well. Alright, so for summarizing text, I just looked up on Google about an article related to prompt engineering. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy that, and I just want to read that in a very summarized way where I can read a very little and understand exactly what it's going to say. So I'm just going to copy that and paste into my ChatGPT and prompt it to summarize this whole article for me in simple words. Alright, so I just prompt ChatGPT to summarize the whole text or article for me in simple words, and I also prompted to summarize in the form of bullets where I can understand it very easily without any problem. Let's just hit enter and see. Alright, so yeah, as you guys can see, it was a very long article, and with the help of ChatGPT and a very simple prompt of summarizing, it just formed that into a very nicely bullet form where I can read that and I can understand that very easily. These are all some of the important points that were given in the article. So yeah, this is very easy to understand. So yeah, that will be it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll be back with more videos of this model.